Let's be real. Manual LinkedIn outreach is dead. It's slow, it burns time, and most of your competitors are already automating it. That's why LinkedoJet's new drip campaign feature matters right now. From sending personalized connect invite to perfectly timed, highly personalized smart follow-ups, and then knowing when to stop chasing the prospect. Everything done for you. But here is the catch. This works best only if you start right now. Your competitors are already getting ahead of you. So if you wait, you're not just falling behind, you're practically invisible. Let's get it started.
Welcome to this demo of LinkedoJet, the ultimate LinkedIn lead generation powerhouse. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to create a high-performing campaign using our platform. So once you log into LinkedoJet dashboard, the first step is to click on Add Campaign. Here you will see a screen where you can select a LinkedIn account on which you would like to run a campaign. I've selected one account and then will click on Next. Choosing the campaign type. On the next screen, you will see options to choose the type of campaign you want to create. LinkedoJet offers 3 campaign types. First, we have Connect campaign. This helps you to invite people to connect. Then we have Message campaign. This helps you to send personalized message to your existing connections. And then we have Extract campaign. In case without sending a message, you want to extract details of leads, you can run an Extract campaign. For this demo, we'll start with the Connect campaign. Click on Connect campaign. This will take you to the campaign setup page. Click on Send Connect Invite. A message editor will open. Here you will add your message. Use identifier to make your message look more personalized. Once done, click on Save. Now on the screen, you can see 3 different sections. One is Add section. So this allows you to add follow-up messages. Then we have Reset section. You can use this to make changes or reset any message you have already set up. And then we have End. Once you are done with all the messages, you can simply click on End to finalize the message. Now we want to add a welcome message to this campaign. So we will simply click on Add section, click on Message, click on Message, and the same message editor will open. Add your message here. You can use more than one identifier to make sure your message look more personalized. Click on Save. In the similar manner, we can add follow-up messages. Just make sure one thing before you add another message. Choose a duration. Choose a time gap between both the messages. For instance, if someone is accepting your connection request today, he will receive a welcome message after a day. So simply click on Choose Duration, select a date, click on Save, and we are done. Follow the same process to add further messages. Once you are done with all the messages, simply click on End. Now we are done with all the messages, we will click on Next. Next, we have Add Leads. In this step, we will set up our target audience for the campaign. Now we have 2 options for adding leads. One is uploading a list. If you already have a list of leads, upload it as a CSV file from the system. Once uploaded, you simply need to map the column in CSV file to the correct fields from the drop-down. Click on last name, and now we will map LinkedIn ID. And we are done. Now simply click on Save and Next. Another option to add your target audience is using a LinkedIn search URL. First, we'll log into our LinkedIn account. You can filter your target audience using basic LinkedIn account or Sales Navigator. However, it's always advisable to use Sales Navigator because it provides more detailed filtering options. Plus, it allows you to reach 3x more people in a single day as compared to a regular LinkedIn account. Now let's filter our audience for this campaign. So now we are targeting decision maker in a specific niche for this campaign. So we'll start with keywords like CEO and CTO. Then we'll filter it with company size. Let's focus on smaller companies. Let's scroll down further. Select a location. We can filter our search list with industry as well. Sales Navigator offers many more filters for precise targeting, but for now we'll go with this selection only. Once filters are set, I'll copy the final URL and head back to dashboard. Now we have our final URL. We'll paste the URL here. Before we click on next, make sure to give a unique name to your target list. Click on next. Next we have campaign schedule. Now that we have set up our messages, we have added leads, it's time to schedule our campaign. This is how we're gonna do it. So we'll start with campaign name. Give your campaign a unique name to identify it easily. Then we have start date of campaign and time to run. Select when you would like the campaign to start. Then we have max request. Define the maximum number of action the campaign should execute daily. Then we have select days to run. Pick the specific days of week you want your campaign to operate. Once all details are set, the final step is to click here to launch the campaign. So this powerful feature automates your LinkedIn outreach, helping you save time while expanding your network, generating high quality leads. If you have any further question, our support team is here to help. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.